The interesting grass, Kikuyu. This is not the type of grass you're going to be doing bump and runs in. We're going to walk through the history of Kikuyu and its origins that date back to East African highlands. That's named after the people of Kenya. And it's categorized into a warm season invasive grass that is aggressively grown. Now, the key characteristics to this is it produces a very dense, thick, mat-like turf surface. It features rapid growth both in its under stems and its above stems, both of which have their terms, allowing it to choke out the other grass in the area. Now, refined color is well cool periods compared to the other warmer grass season. Now, famous for its grabbing the club head, the club often sits down at the thick, making it clear contact difficult and often suggesting a kind of flyer lie. Now, it's famously associated with Southern California golf, just as Torrey pines in the sites of 2008 and 2021 U.S. Open and Riviera Country Club. Because the grass is aggressive nature, it can become extremely difficult to keep out of bunkers and surrounding native area, requiring consistent edging and chemical maintenance during. It requires high speed club head to get through its thick grass, and its grain of grass is highly and impacts putts dramatically with its speed and breaks on greens. It demands precision within short game, and a fluff around the green can make chipping unpredictable. Boy, this is a wonderful grass to be played. Have you played on this grass? Let us know down in the comment section as we consistently try to learn in short minute videos parts of the golf course. I think there's something for golf for everyone. And here with this type of grass, you biggest takeaway is you have to have fast club speed. It's gonna pretty much stop on a dime. There's no more bump and runs here. And it does affect putting green surfaces compared to the other grasses as mentioned in previous videos. Hopefully this video brings you one step closer to playing these golf courses in the near future. And if not, we want to get you out there and learn a little bit more about the course. We're novelists as well, so if there's any information that you could provide, it'd be greatly appreciated. Chances are you might know more than me. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come here with the Professor and Independent Golf channel, focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.